a X5M that unfortunately got burnt down. So anyway, he's shopping for not necessarily a replacement for his X5, but he's looking for just another I think another M car to have until he finds the right one, the right X5M. Heading over to Daly City and near San Francisco. So we got a little bit of a drive. But you know what, if you see the temperatures, we're gonna be actually 110 degrees today, and where I live. So being in San Francisco is a lot cooler. So a little good way to escape the heat and look at some cars. So he's looking at an F80 M3. Wait, he's probably a few miles ahead of me. I have stuff I need to take care of. We were right together, but I just say, hey man, just don't worry about me. Just, you know, get ahead and get a head start. So anyway, meeting him now. And we got, I'm sure the next hour we should be meeting at the dealership. So you're in this video.
Welcome that Bay Area traffic.
I know. You can hopefully you don't know if you can see it in there. I'm trying to get it in the view. But
oh man.
This is what it's like.
Well, shoot.
It just reminds me why I don't come to the city very much.
Yeah. I see. Well, normally Sundays is going to be busy coming into the city because everybody's coming back from town and stuff. But I thought with Labor Day weekend it wouldn't be until tomorrow.
Yeah, that's same here. I was like, oh, nobody's traveling today.
So I'm like, yeah, I'm not really sure what's happening today. 54, or I'm walking out the door.
But they said, all right, 54, you buy it today?
Yeah.
All right, I'll tell my manager, I'll be right back.
No, I want the manager right here. I hate those games. I wouldn't want Bondo on it. I don't know, especially for that much money. They better get me an OEM brand new bumper.
Right. And he was already talking about replacing the. You got to see if the crash bar's bent. I said no, the crash bar. I mean, it's the hitch. So.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Is that you? What's happening over there?
We were playing a horn war. Tesla cut me off, and then I honked at him. He honked at me, and we just all honking back at each other.
What in the world is happening on this bridge?
This is the worst traffic I've been in on the bridge before. Actually, no, I take that back. This is the second worst traffic I've been in.
I mean, so when I went to a medical appointment at Stanford once, I like literally started driving back right at rush hour in the afternoon, and I forget what I think it took me like maybe an hour 40 to get there, right?
Story. Oh, hold on a second. Motorcycle coming through. Just splitting lanes like, you know, normal. So anyway, I said Gus was about a little bit ahead of me, about 10-15 minutes ahead of me. I took a different way what my car's navigation told me. I decided to navigate that way over as opposed to Google Maps. And I know Google Maps, Apple Maps are usually superior. But just called, checking on Gus, like, hey man, I'm stuck in like a bunch of traffic. I don't know where he is. And we're just trying to get on the Bay Bridge, which I'm on right now. And somehow now I'm ahead of him. So I don't know. I guess I'll be at the dealership before he gets there, but it turned out that happens. So right now I'm headed through Treasure Island. You can see here, it's like a little split in the bridge almost, where you go through a little tunnel and then you come out the other side and you should be able to see the city. like the Hellcat and stuff. I like the wheels.
Love the wheels. The only reason I'm considering it. Spacers.
The spoiler there on the corner, I'm just looking at it right now, first glance. See right there, it needs to be tacked down again. Probably just be peeled and put back up again. Because this is a CS style spoiler, so it's not a factory.
Yeah. Do you think it's the OEM one though, or do you think it's a replica like yours?
It could be replica, because my replica didn't fit that well in the beginning. And actually, no, it could be just OEM. Because the way it comes across, he just didn't seal it right. But, yeah, he's got to be the real C's are 20-inch back here. That's the M logo. So this is got to be a legit wheel.
You think so?
Yeah.
I'm trying to see if there's a stamp on the inside at all.
What kind of tires does it have back there? What brand?
Michelin Pilot Sport all season.
Okay.
Up front.
This has a star tire, Michelin Super Sport. So it's got mismatched tires.
This is not a star tire.
Yeah. The star tire, I think, is this. I think it's either Dunlop or this Pilot Super Sport. Yeah.
This has 40.
This thing won't get traction. I can tell you that with those all seasons. He did the reflector delete. You tell
Oh,
me.
it's PPF'd?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it is PPF. Yeah, this PPF up here. This is all PPF. I didn't see
That's
that.
a good sign.
Whole front end is.
You think so?
Yeah. Feel it.
Maybe not.
This. Yeah, the hood is definitely PPF. Oh, I see it stopped right there. They did it really short.
Oh, just
Wow, I didn't see how short that was. It's really short. I mean, most time when you get partial, they usually come up here.
You think it's gonna be sprayed?
I don't know. So, but with the mineral, they're hard to tell because the mineral looks so like.
Is this the mineral?
This is mineral.
Oh man, there's some scratches right here.
No.
Some serious scratches.
No. I need a light. Oh.
And like right here.
So that needs to be detailed.
You think that'll come out?
Oh yeah. I don't. Yeah, that'll buff out.
Look at that. That's really bad.
Yeah, this will come out. It's not down to the metal. They were to do. Oh wow! Look at this.
Yeah. What is going on here? But this is PPF. I guess at least with the white, it hides it a little bit more, but like still, like.
If you got to bring out.
A car wash.
No, the way because car wash should be very consistent. The way that these scratches are, it's just someone. I would say what my thought is. Someone washed the car improperly. Like either they took a sponge and didn't really rinse it off, and just, or they say, "Hey, the car's dirty. Let me clean the car real quick." Like here in the trunk. Yeah, that one's showing up on camera. But on the trunk.
Or even like when they were applying the tint, all the glue, or not the glue, the soapy water residue that they couldn't get to with the brake light.
Yeah. Oh, so yeah, these definitely are spacer.
Yeah, you can see them right here.
Oh, he's got a thick spacer on there. I don't know if I will go that aggressive for me, but
Yeah, I got some decent sized ones too. Well,
he did a. Hold on a second. So this is all season. Yeah. So this one. What size?
so the back two are
Yeah.
mismatched in the front. They match in the front.
Yeah.
Yeah, star.
Tweety.
That makes sense. Some of the.
All right, guys. So here with Gus. Now Gus is looking at this F80 behind me, and you know, I know when I first met you, you told me you obviously were trying to find a CS or M3, and obviously with everything happened with the X5M, it kind of delayed everything. But you know, it didn't stop your search, right? You've been looking for stuff, and you came here to look at this F80, and I think you're getting down to the wire. I think is you want something.
Yeah.
You're getting that itch, right?
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so with the X5, a little brief update. We finally got everything settled out. Insurance paid out a check, and yeah, so that's all said and done. So now that got cleared out, I'm able to move forward. So now I'm starting to get itchy with getting either, I don't know, an F80 or maybe another SUV. I've just kind of been all over the place, so we're just checking this out.
All right, so we're gonna start up, to see how the car, obviously check out the exterior and the interior and see if there's any extra modifications. It's definitely louder.
Think so? You don't think it's a reverberation?
Yeah, well, it could be that too, but you saw when I put it in sport, and I had to get it switched over and open the valves. I had to touch the throttle just a little bit just to get
Jesus
it.
Christ,
But that thing was like, bah! I do like that they're darker. I'll let it warm up and then maybe I'll say rev it.
Crushed by this?
I know, it's fast talker.
Yeah.
So is it M5? Is that M5?
Where is it?
M5.
Oh yeah, that's the good one. Everybody's sliding around.
Nice on the road back here. I'm also take my car over this road.
Guadalupe Expressway. What you know about this one?
Right. Oh,
we got a white, and then Cow Palace is right down the hill right there. So
Okay.
this brings you up and over to the SF side. And Brisbane is the town you're looking at over here.
Yeah, it's almost. There's no drone, but.
All right. So, final thoughts at the test drive?
Final thoughts. So, F80 comp looks good, drives well. I think we were debating a little bit whether the sound, if there's some kind of aftermarket exhaust, but I think for the most part, it felt pretty stock. Would you agree, Eddie?
I sort of agree that that bark inside that shower when I cranked it, when I revved it in the sport mode, I don't know. But like I said, it was resonating against the wall.
Yep.
So, don't know.
So the jury's still out. I mean, it looks good, right? It has the CS wheels on it. Black and white.
Secure orange interior.
Yep.
It's got the all the packages done. I mean, it's got cameras. Yeah.
Executive package, yeah.
And of course,
Fiber lip.
has the updated icon LEDs, which is nice with the 2018s. I think the CS wheels and the spoiler really make it look almost like a CS.
So if you added the front lip, it would be
in the hood, yeah.
Hood, yeah. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll see. Maybe there's gonna be another. Maybe now we're gonna do M3 versus M3.
Yeah. So we'll see. We'll wrap it up from there, and then I guess you're gonna think about it, maybe look around some more, and we'll go from there. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. So we're heading up to CarMax, and what are the odds? Austin Yellow M3 pulls up here right next to me. I'm in my Yas Marina Blue.